Okay, we've moved over to the sheep barn at the Gridley County Fairgrounds, and we're looking in, what's this panel?
SB1.
And what are we looking at here?
Well, what we're looking at here is we've got the same condition as the beef barn where conduit fill hasn't been adhered to. So we run into the same derating issues. We have the same instance where neutral conductors are being shared across multiple circuits. We have instances of conductors not being rated for the breaker they're on. For instance, there's a 2-pole 50 with number 10s connected to it. We have a 2-pole 70 with number 8s connected to it. Here, the issue, in addition to the issues in the panel, is the issues with the loads. For instance, the 2-pole 70, that's got number 8 conductors going out to the load, and it appears a number 10 neutral is for the exterior lighting, which we can see exposed wiring utilizing the steel framework as a raceway. And once again, we don't have equipment grounding means. There we have an exposed splice. Building steel is not bonded to the ground. More exposed splices. As a matter of fact, all the way down we can see that they've used the framework as a raceway. It's not grounded properly, and the splices are exposed.
Why don't you turn and walk back up? That way you get the light behind you.
Okay. How many fixtures are there? 2, 4, 12. I believe there's 12. Looks like metal halide fixtures being supplied from this sub panel. So once again, we've got an instance of conductors not being rated for the supply voltage or amperage. Well, amperage only rather. PVC conduit utilized with no equipment ground. We have double landing on the lugs. Conduit not properly secured or fastened in the box. But the safety concerns are the double landing on the lugs, the conductors not being rated for the breaker that they're landed on. So the 70 amp 2-pole that was undersized and fed with the wrong size conductors and not properly grounded for the lighting is one instance of circuits not being, the overcurrent device not being properly rated, and the conductors not being rated either. Here we have a 2-pole 50 amp breaker with number 10s on it, and this 2-pole 50 amp breaker supplies a 120 volt 20 amp convenience outlet for a fan. So I don't know if the fan is 240 volt. We haven't researched the load, but here it is. And these items were to not be corrected as directed by the county.